guys, I'm back again. I hope you all are doing good and great in your home. So take the Mata Rani blessing and start my today's video. Okay. So in this video, I am taught you that what is phonetic language, which means IPA, International Phonetic Language. International Phonetic Language is a academic international phonetic language. It's a academic standard which is created by a international phonetic association. Okay, it is a notation system that used as a set of symbols that represent each distinct sound to exist in human spoken language. And international phonetic language, there are the 44 symbols in this language. 20 are vowels and 24 are consonant. And today we are discuss about vowels. What is vowel sound? And in vowel sound, what is vowel firstly? Vowels is classified by how high or low the how low the tongue, if the tongue is back or front of your mouth, and whether or the lips, not the lips are rounded. Okay, that is the vowels. And in vowels they are divided into two parts. First, in monotones. Monotones, also known as pure vowels. In monotones, they are the 20 vowels. In monotones, they are the 20 vowels. Five long vowels, seven short vowels. And in diphthongs, there are 8 vowels. So today we are talking about monotones. Monotones is also known as pure vowels. They are the 7 are short vowels and 5 are long vowels. And what is the long vowels are? First is long vowels are 5. First is ah, 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 which means palm, palm, calm. Next one is ooh, ooh, cool, fool. O, O, which means cause, cause. I, I, read, sit. Earn, turn. Near the 5 sounds of long vowels. First is A, second U, third O, fourth E, fifth is U. And what is the 7 short vowels are? Here it is. E, which means about, agho, agho. I, E, pit, pit, sit. Next one is mud, but. There is which means is lot, lot, lot. E, eat, e, e. Ah, you, oo, oo. A, 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 a. So that is the that so that is the short 7 vowels. So I hope you are understand my video slightly but not fully, but I hope you get some idea what is international phonetic language. And in my next video we are telling about diphthongs. We are telling about diphthongs. Yes, they are the 8 sound of diphthongs, which is also known as glide vowels. Okay, so if you like my video, so please guys, please support me and like, share and subscribe on my channel. And I hope you like my video, and please take some time, please like my video. So yes, taking care of yourself and your family members. Bye.